Today we've got a brilliant UKMT Senior Maths Challenge puzzle that will test your intuition and geometry skills. Ready? Let's dive in. Here's the puzzle. We have a large equilateral triangle made up of 9 mini equilateral triangles. 2 separate portions are shaded in grey. Your task: what fraction of the large triangle is shaded? Take a moment, pause the video and see if you can figure it out. Come back for an animated solution. 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's solve this together. First, notice something interesting. The shaded regions don't overlap. They're completely separate. And they look kind of similar, right? That's our first intuition builder. So what exactly looks similar? Let's investigate. Each shaded portion sits inside a parallelogram formed by 4 mini triangles. Take a look here. We can split them like so to create 2 separate parallelograms, each of 4 mini triangles. And here's the key. The dividing lines of the diagonals of those parallelograms form the grey area. Diagonals split a parallelogram into 2 equal areas, as they're both congruent triangles, so each shaded portion is half of its parallelogram, which means each one covers 2 mini triangles. Combine both areas again, we have no overlap, and 2 plus 2 is 4, and we get 4 mini triangles out of the 9 total. So the fraction is 4 over 9. 4/9 of the large triangle is shaded in grey. Did you get it right? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this puzzle, hit that like button and subscribe for more maths and logic fun. See you next time.